Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students of 8th class. Today our topic is mole. So we are going to define the mole. What is mole? So mole can be defined as the atomic mass of atom or molecular mass of molecule or formula mass of an ionic compound expressed in gram is called mole. When we express the atomic mass of atom or molecular mass of molecule or formula mass of an ionic compound in gram. So gram atomic mass or gram molecular mass or gram formula mass is called mole. Mole is a quantity as well as number. Mole is a quantity as well as number. Mole can be represented by small n. Mole can be represented by small n. For example, 1 mole of hydrogen atom is equal to 1 gram. 1 mole of hydrogen atom is equal to 1 gram. Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. Why? Because hydrogen atom has 1 proton and 1 electron, and atomic mass is the sum of proton and neutron. So hydrogen has only 1 proton, therefore its atomic mass is 1. So atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 AMU, and when we replace the AMU by gram, then it is called mole. Similarly, 1 mole of oxygen atom is equal to 16 gram. Atomic mass of oxygen is 16. Why atomic mass of oxygen is 16? Because oxygen has 8 proton and 8 neutrons. So 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. AMU, and when we replace AMU by gram, then it is called mole. 1 mole of hydrogen molecule, when one or two hydrogen atom combine together, they will form a molecule. So atomic mass of 1 hydrogen atom is 1. What will be the atomic mass of 2 hydrogen? 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2 and replaced by G. So 1 mole of hydrogen molecule is equal to 2 gram. Similarly, 1 mole of water molecule is equal to 18 gram, because 1 hydrogen has atomic mass 1 and there are 2 hydrogen. So their atomic mass will be 2 and oxygen atom has atomic mass 16. So 16 plus 2 is equal to 18 gram. Similarly, 1 mole of sodium chloride formula unit. Sodium chloride is called formula unit because we have discussed it earlier that NaCl has an ionic bond, therefore it is called a formula unit, not a molecule. And its formula mass is 58.5 gram because sodium has atomic mass 23 and chlorine has atomic mass 35.5. So 23 plus 35.5 is equal to 58.5 gram. So these are called formula mass. These are called formula mass. Molecular mass, molar mass or formula mass. Generally we are called it molar mass. Now we are coming toward the calculation. Mole mass calculation. There are 2 equations for mole mass calculation. First equation, number of moles is equal to mass in gram divided by molar mass. Mass in gram, the mass which is given us. This is called mass in gram. Mass in gram is given us and molar mass can be calculated from the formula. So number of mole is equal to mass in gram divided by molar mass. If we know mass in gram and molar mass, then we can easily calculate the number of moles. Similarly, mass in gram is equal to number of moles multiplied by molar mass. If we know the number of moles and molar mass, then we can calculate the mass in gram. Now we are going to solve an example upon this equation. Example, calculate the number of mole in 110 gram of CO2 molecule. What will be the number of mole in 110 gram of CO2? First, given data, which things we know? Given data. Mass in gram is given. What is mass in gram of CO2? 110 gram. Second, molar mass of CO2. Molar mass of CO2. We know that atomic mass of carbon is 12 and atomic mass of one oxygen is 16. What will be the mass of two oxygen? 32. 32 plus 12 is equal to 44 gram. Required. What is required from us? Number of moles. Number of moles. This is required. Formula or equation for this. Formula. Formula or equation. Number of moles. Number of moles is equal to mass in gram divided by molar mass. These two things are given us. Mass in gram. How many mass is present? 110 gram. Molar mass of CO2, 44 gram. When we divide 110 by 44, 2.5 moles. How many mole are present in 110 gram of carbon dioxide? We know that 1 mole of carbon dioxide contain 44 gram. So 2.5 moles contain 110 gram. Okay? Now, look here, if you have any questions, any problem, so you can ask me. Inshallah, see you in the next lecture.